Hello kids, today we are going to see how to draw and color different types of balls. Come, let's start. First ball is American football. Draw an oval. Second step is to draw two sets of parallel curves on both the sides. Now draw zigzag lines. Brown color. Second ball is soccer ball by using circle and pentagon shape. Draw a circle. Draw a pentagon. From the pentagon, draw the line from all 5 edges. Draw 5 semi-pentagon that should join all the lines. Now join all the semi-pentagon on both the sides. Give black color for all the pentagon shape. Third ball is baseball. Draw a circle and C curve that should be opposite to each other. Now draw V-shaped lines all over the C curve. Fourth ball is basketball. Draw a circle and plus sign lines. Now on both the sides, draw C curves opposite to each other. Give brown color. Fifth ball is golf ball. Draw a circle for a ball. Draw 2 slanted lines and close that lines for ball mount stand. Give dots by using grey color. Sixth ball is volleyball. Draw a circle and make a dot at the center. Now from the center point, draw 3 C curves. Now draw 2 C curves that should parallel to the first curve. Now draw another 2 curves that should parallel to the above curve. Again draw another 2 curves parallel to the third curve. Yellow, blue. Give both the colors alternately. Seventh ball is tennis ball. Draw a circle. Then draw 2 sets of C curve that should be opposite to each other. Green color. Eighth ball is bowling ball. Draw a circle. Draw 3 small circles in the middle. Dark pink color. Ninth ball is beach ball. Draw a circle. Now draw a small circle to the corner. From that small circle, draw 6 curves. Green color, red color, blue color, yellow color, tenth ball is water polo ball. Draw a circle. Draw a V curve on both top and bottom. Now join that V curve. Draw 2 sets of curve. Yellow color. That's it. See, it's very simple. In my next video, we are going to see how to draw and color an Easter eggs and basket. See you.